Hey, what's going on everyone, this is Pix.Tones and we are back with another Lightroom mobile preset tutorial video, and this time we select ocean theme. First go to light section, then increase exposure about 0.3, then increase contrast by 30 points, and decrease highlights up to 100 points, then increase shadows by 100 points, then reduce whites by 100 points, then reduce blacks by 50 points. Then go to curve mode, adjust curve according to this way. You can see that how it can change the image with colors, so you can play with this curve and get what you want. I adjust like this, so you don't want to follow exactly this way. You can adjust according to your requirement, your likeness. Then go to color section, increase temperature by about 5 to 6 points, then increase tint by about 2-3 points, let's say 4, something like 2, and then increase vibrance by around 70 points. Also decrease saturation by about 50 points. Then go to color mix. First on red section, increase hue up to about 45 points and saturation up to 100 points. Then go to orange color, decrease hue by 20 points and decrease saturation by 5 points. Then go to yellow color, decrease saturation by 100 points, then decrease saturation by 50 points, also decrease luminance by 20 points. Then go to green color, decrease hue by 100 points, then saturation by 80 points, then luminance by 60 points. Then go to CN, increase hue by 50 points, decrease saturation by 40 points and decrease luminance by about 90 points. Then go to blue color, decrease hue by 100 points and saturation by 60 points. Also luminance by around 35 points. Then go to purple, decrease saturation about 30 points, decrease saturation by about 60 points, then decrease luminance by 20 points. Then go to pink, increase hue by 100 points, and no need to change the other two. Then go to effect section. You can place texture and increase clarity by 30 points. Also increase DS about 10 points. Increase clarity up to 30 points. Also decrease vignette by about 2-3 points. Then go to detail, increase noise reduction by about 10 points. Then go to color noise reduction, increase it to 20 points. That's all guys about this preset settings. Now we can see before and after image. You can see that there's some kind of a drastic image difference in before and after. Now you can see, save this preset, click on 3 dots and click on create preset, give its name. So I give like Ocean Aqua Tone. Then select the preset group. I select Pix.Tones preset group and then tap on check mark. Now it is saved. So now we can apply this effect to another couple of images to see how it's changed the images. So we can see that before and after images. Let's apply for another couple of images.